Hi, I'm Kate.
I'm Daisy.
And, oh, I have the hiccups.
She's going to drink water upside down, and we're going to watch her.
Hello? Honey, one, close it, and then drink water.
Got it.
I'm going to be drinking water upside down.
This is to cure her hiccups. That's your dog, Lucky. He has yellow eyes. He does in the camera.
Oh, the water's cold.
This is very entertaining, by the way.
I have to drink all this.
It was full when she first started, though.
Not really.
Well, most of the way. Lucky! Lucky, look at the camera, Lucky. Hey, Lucky. You're alive! Talk to Kate. Kate, how much do you have left?
Why, do you want to help me drink this? Oh, sorry.
Trust him. Lucky has yellow eyes.
You're just going to bump me.
Oh, that'd be funny. I know, I'm a good friend. Zoom in. Zoom out. Doggy! Are you done yet?
Almost.
Oh. She did it! Woo! Victory is hers! So you still have the hiccups?
No, I thought I had to burp.
Oh.
Yeah, I did.
Very nice.
Even open this back up. Okay, I'm Kate.
I'm Brittany.
And my hiccups are gone.
Woo!